Okay, I want to have an exercise here because we have learned the loops, conditions, and all the things. But I want to have an exercise here, a very, very simple exercise. So I have this picture. For example, these are some lists, 1, 2, 3, and all the lists. And there are some number like 0 and 1. So what is our purpose from this exercise? So I just check, or I want to tell that number 1, iterate over this picture. So I want to iterate over this picture, and wherever, if you find anywhere 0, will add, instead of this, add print the empty string like nothing. And if there is 1, so you have to, well, print the star. So this is the exercise. So if you want to try, just pause the video and just try this. So wherever you find 0, just add an empty string, and wherever you find 1, so you have to add this asterisk. So if you cannot, so let me do this. I want to have for loop. I just check the, well, the row first. So I want to have another for loop, pixel and the row. So this is nested loop. I want to have a conditional logic, like if pixel is equal to 1, then print the asterisk, well, this sign, and end it with and again else. Well, else obviously the value will be 0. So empty string, again the same thing. And I want to print empty string. Now this is some lines of course. Now I want to check either it works or not. It provided, or it printed something, well, not correct thing for me, like the rows and these things are not on the same place where we want. Why? It is because I've added somewhere else. It's correct now because we have printed this tree. Well, why it printed like an error before? Because this print is this for this for loop, for this nested for loop. So that's why it showed me something very with error. So this is, we have used here for loop 2 times as nested, and if else and all the things.